Safe Product Owner, Product Manager. Learn how product owners and product managers should work together to achieve the best possible customer and business outcomes. The Safe POPM course will teach you how to adopt a customer-centric approach to building products, using the scaled agile framework to deliver more value, faster. Topics covered in this course include the daily role of POs and PMs, collaborating with engineering teams and business stakeholders, how to write epics, features, and stories, and how to design, prioritize, build, test, and deliver products with increased productivity and higher quality. What attendees learn: how to perform the role of a PO and a PM on a daily basis, how to put the customer at the center of your design, build, and test process, how to prepare for and lead PI planning, how to decompose epics to features and features to stories, how to collaborate with agile teams to forecast work. Safe POPM answers the questions: how do POs and PMs plan and execute work during a PI? How do I integrate a customer-centric mindset to deliver products customers want? How do you connect safe, lean, agile principles and values to the PO, PM roles?